Our equally reputed administrators, teachers, municipal and barangay officials, parents who are with us today, good morning. First, let me warmly welcome you all to this first district meeting of this year, 2011. We are delighted to have you here, that many of you travel long distances serves to remind us now how important our work is. Teachers United is committed to actively raising the quality of life for every child. We want all children, regardless of circumstance, to achieve their full potential. Our task is to make it possible. Our mission is to provide practical, step-by-step assistance, and this year we will start our teaching more beneficial to our pupils than last year. Our goal should not just impart new things to them, but also to consider their needs in all aspects of their lives. The full development of the human personality. I hope this meeting will inspire us all to be humble and worth living to this school and to the society we belong. Thank you and enjoy your coming here in our humble school. As promised, we prepared the lunch for all of us. Again, thank you and good morning.